Well, we're on a service call at Moo Moo Car Wash. Working on a Bryant here. We're going to look at the code and see what it's flashing and get us in the area we might need. Okay, we're into the goods. Got that insulation. I got a kind of falling down on that blower down in there. Probably overheating. See that there? This is the insulation, and you got the blower. If I can get lay down here and see, up inside of here where the blower pulls the air in, and this insulation is falling down over the opening, not allowing the air, so it's probably overheating on high temperature. A lot of times what I do is you got, we call it web glue. You spray a glue in there, get that insulation up there. That's probably what's happening. Push this in, see what happens. There goes the blower. Looking at that status code, but I'd say that furnace was overheating. We'll see. Hopefully it's calling for heat. I gotta get my... Hey, you know what? I should have used... I'm going to do something here. We can jumper it out up here, but got a little... Hopefully this will hold that door switch in. There we go, David. So we got our 24 volts going to this. Now we just got to see what's happening here. I don't know what that status light is flashing with the, what we call like a fast heartbeat, rapid heartbeat. I got to look on the door panel. See on this old Bryant, where's that at? Give me the codes. Still not seeing the code. Oh, here we go. So rapid flash, line voltage, polarity reversed, or furnace not grounded. So it's like that light's going. Rapid flashing means the line voltage, which is this here, it's coming into there and it's showing reverse polarity or furnace not grounded. Interesting. So we'll check that out, see what's going on. Got the drill out, now to use it. Okay. There. Everything looks pretty good there. Now let's ground. Definitely. Yeah, just checking the ground, basically coming into here, got It said check voltage or ground, so you got ground, you got your hot leg coming in, 120, then you know your neutral, and I'm coming over here to my grounds, we look good there, I mean, so it should be, for some reason the circuit board's flashing that. I'm going to check some of our voltages here. We got our 120 there. Goes to the ground. Might have a ground issue. Might have to check into that panel box. The reason hot leg to ground is okay. We got it there. So on the reverse polarity is what they're saying. It is kind of true. Like, hot leg's coming on the neutral here into this furnace. Like, I wonder what's going on with that. Like, because typically the black wire should have 120. Good. Okay, so interesting thought. Maybe these maintenance guys started getting a little bit excited. See what's going on here. Obviously it's probably been working this way for a little while. Now, let's see here. What do I want to use so I won't get shocked? I need to get my electrical, these will work. You don't want to get shocked, so these here are thick insulated. Says, warning, not insulated, will not protect against electrical shock. Let's see what happens. I don't feel like anything's going to happen to me. I just want to isolate the main power coming in. So you don't want to do this, obviously. You want the power to be shut off from the breaker and turn it on, but, well, I don't want to go down the stairs, to be honest, down the ladder. So, okay, I got it apart there and there. So we got 120, and then from there to ground. I'm just going to take that wire net off. So there to there, that's 22. But this one will have 120. Watch. Yeah, it does. Like, it's weird. Like, so I'm going to have to go down to the panel box, electrical panel box. Down there and see at the breaker panel to see how they wired this here. Something's going on to where this leg, when this for the furnace, they're calling it reverse polarity, meaning the leg coming from the panel from the breaker is usually 120 on here. And your neutral you should have 0. Something's glitching in there, so we're gonna have to go down the stairs anyways. So. Whew. So I've been battling with this, okay, not even battling. The circuit board is flashing continuous wrapping, and it was the code, the LED light is showing us a code of reverse polarity, meaning the hot leg and the neutral are reversed. That's reverse polarity. Strangely enough, it looks like it was been this way for a while. I mean, it's a relatively newer furnace. So what I did is I did reverse switch the hot leg and the neutral, and I'm going to see if it's going to work here. But that's according to my meter, that's what I need to do. So I'm just going to put this on here, and to see, it was flashing rapid flash. Now it's just showing that with a solid light. Now we're going to see if the furnace wants to try to come on. So we're going to wait. I mean, we rid of that problem. Let's see if it's calling. Okay, we're not calling yet, so we'll wait for our time delay from the thermostat. See, now this here is going to start. Now I got this inducer motors running, so we're a lot further. First we had reverse polarity. Now this cleans off the, oh, fingernails are long. This cleans off the dirt. See that? You got blacker. Then you're going to see a little glow in here. See that glow back in there? We're going to have ignition here. You hear a click. And we'll have fire in the hole. 1, 2, 3. Now, we're actually got heat to the place. Why did it have reverse polarity? I don't know. The maintenance guy did say there was some work being done. This goes up into the attic space. Should I track it back, have the maintenance guy, or call an electrician? It's working. I did what I needed to do, so see what happens here. But I still got to fix this, right? No, wait a minute. Fan running yet? Okay. That's heating up, and that'll run, but then that's a problem. That's like a problem. There it goes. Fan's running. But you can see that falling down on top of there. That is so classic. I see that all the time. It's like it must, the insulation glue. If you look here, you can see it. It's real tacky. The glue, and it just came off of it. And it's probably why. What I'm guessing is probably we're in a well, we're at a moo car wash. There's a lot of moisture, and for whatever reason, under these conditions, car wash, tons of moisture being pulled through the return. The only thing I could think of, it kind of loosened up the glue or the material of the insulation. So we'll just glue it back and have to let the maintenance guys know what to keep an eye out open, what to keep an eye open for. Okay, yeah, we got heat. That's what we're here for. Okay, so we're at the Moo Car Wash. Just a quick recap before we head out. We finally got it up and running. It had the circuit board was flashing reverse polarity, so we assessed the ground and the sea, and sure enough, it was a reverse polarity. So we got these people up and going. Told the maintenance guy, and also the insulation panel inside the blower compartment for the furnace had fallen down. So we just removed that for now, and probably will come back, spray some of the insulation, the glue up in there, and put it back. Other than that, another mission accomplished.